सर हमको सॉल्व करके बताते हैं और क्यों
Let's go for the ninth one, dear children. Ninth question. So 16 raised to 16 plus square root is not equal to which of the following? Let's see. So first of all, let's understand what is 16 raised to 16 ka square root. So you know that 16 raised to 16 ka square root means divided by 2. So that is basically 16 raised to 8. Simple logic. First option check karte hain. First option is 2. 16 can be written as 2 raised to 4. Then 8 additionally. 4 into 8 is 2 raised to 32. Which means the first one is not equal. See, we need to find which is not equal. So first one is equal. Let's go for the second one. 4. 16 can be written as 4 raised to 2. Then multiplied by 8, that gives me 4 raised to 16. So this one is also equal. This one it's already equal because I already have 16, 8. 4 raised to 4. Since 4 raised to 16 is equal, which means 4 raised to 4 is not equal, which means this is my correct answer.
So can you re-explain the problem?
Sure. You have 16 raised to 16 का square root, which is 16 raised to 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2 goes 8. This 16 by 16 raised to 8. Instead of 16, I can write 2 raised to 4, which means 2 raised to 4 into 8. Since I already have an 8 over here. 4 into 8 is 32. So it is also equal to 2 raised to 32. Hence 2 raised to 32 is an equal number. This 16 can also be written as 4 raised to 2. So 16 raised to 8 can be written as 4 raised to 2 into 8. That is 4 raised to 16. Hence 4 raised to 16 is an equal number. Similarly, 16 raised to 8 is an equal number, which means 4 raised to 4 is not an equal number. We need to find what is not equal.
Understood, sir. Sir, after the
Sorry, after what?
sir after the answer came 4 raised to 16, how did you make it as 4 raised to 4?
My dear child, the answer is 4 raised to 4. It's not 4 raised to 16. Because all these values are equal to what you have in the question. This value is not equal to what you have in the question. Hence, that is your answer.
So sir, how is it that if the other options are equal to the value over there? Oh, okay, I get it.
Okay, yeah. Yeah. 10th question. A man buys a plot of land for sorry 3 lakh. He sells 1/3 at a loss of 20, 2/5 at a gain of 25. At what price must he sell the remaining land so as to make an overall gain of 10%? So this is an easy problem, but a lengthy problem. So I'm interested to give this as a homework, but I'll just give you, gist of it, so that it's easy for you to solve. Now, 3 lakh, 1/3, he sells at a loss of 20%. So 1/3 is basically 1 lakh. So 1 lakh a property he sells at a loss of 20%. So the loss amount is 20K. So 20K he already has lost. And the remaining 2/5 of 3 lakh is how much actually? 60,000 multiplied by 12. Yeah, 2/5 is 1,20,000. Huh. 2/5 is 1.2 lakh. He sold this at a gain of 25%. So 25% of 1.2 lakh is how much? It's divided by 4,
1.5
30,000. Yeah,
Or
the selling price
1.5 lakh.
is 1.5 lakh, which means the profit is 30,000, right? 30K. Here the loss was 20K, here the profit is 30K. So up until now, the overall profit he has gained is 10K, 10,000. I believe this much is clear, right? So he wished to gain an overall profit of 10% of the total value. 3 lakh ka total 10% is basically 30K. So he wished to have a total profit of 30K. Okay. That means in this case, in the remaining amount, in the remaining piece of land, he must have a profit of 20,000. Simple logic. Because starting में जो loss हो गया 20,000, that he must recover. 20,000 का profit होना चाहिए.
answer is 3 1
Yeah,
lakh.
option 3. Correct, correct, correct. So what piece of land is left with him? Let us check. So if his land was 1, he
Sir,
sold 1/3 and
80
he again
80K.
sold 2/5. So he'll be left with 15 minus 5 minus 6 is wait, 15 minus 5
Sir,
minus
we can simply do that. He has 80K worth of land left.
because we know that no, not 80K, not 2.2. Correct, correct, correct. Yeah, that is actually more easy. I don't have to go for the fraction because I already know the amounts. So 1 lakh ka land becha, then 1.2 lakh ka land becha. So out of 3 lakh, he has already sold 1 lakh and 1.2 lakh. So he's left with 80,000 worth of land. So this is the, let's say, cost price. This is the cost price of the piece of land. So he wished to have a 30K profit, which means the selling price must be 80K plus 30K gives you 1.1 lakh. So 1.1 lakh में उसको बेच, sorry, my mistake, not 30K. 30K तो total profit चाहिए ना उसको. So additionally इस पे उसको चाहिए 20K का profit. So 80K plus 20K gives you 1 lakh. So the selling price of the remaining piece should be 1 lakh. Yeah, correct. That's your answer.
Sir, he needs to make a gain of 10%, so it should be 30K. So how did we get 20?
He wished to have a total profit of 30K. You know, जब उसने 1/3 बेचा, he got a loss of 20K. Then उसने remaining 2/5 जब बेचा, he got an additional gain of 30K. So उसको total profit 30K ही चाहिए. So जितना उसको इधर मिला है उतना ही चाहिए. Which means जो previously जो loss हुआ है ना उसको recover करना. Hence plus 20K लाना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर. I hope you got this.
Okay, 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 sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Sir, does here K means 1000?
K means 1,000. Correct. 3 zeros. Okay. So let's proceed further, dear children. Sorry. 11th question. Car's odometer read 62926. That's a palindrome. Palindrome means ऐसे पढ़ोगे तो भी same number, ऐसे पढ़ोगे तो भी same number. It's called as palindrome. And at 10:18 a.m., at 11:58 a.m., which is 1 hour and 40 minutes away from each other. Yeah? So plus 1 hour and 40 minutes. The odometer displayed the next number that read same forward and backwards. वापस ऐसे ही forward and backward, but वो next number होना चाहिए, not this number. So बीच वाले number को तो change करना ही पड़ेगा because see, if you change this number,
Sir,
you have to
63036.
absolutely. So you cannot think of changing the last number because you'll have to change the first number as well. You cannot think of changing this because you'll have to change the second number. ये सब बड़े बड़े numbers है. So the least possible number you can change is the middle number. In case of palindrome, it's always like that. The least possible change you can do is the middle numbers change. So middle number को 9 की जगह पे next number, 9 के बाद next is 0. 9 के बाद next तब 0 तब आएगा when the 62 becomes 63. So over here I'll write the reverse of 63, that is 36. So the next number is basically 63036. So the distance during that time, what was car's average speed? So first we'll have to find how much distance it has covered. 62926.
110.
110.
110. Yeah, that actually. Yeah, 110 it is. So 110 kilometers is the distance traveled by this car in 1 hour and 40 minutes. So 1 hour and 40 minutes ko I can convert it into decimal fraction as 1, and this 40 is basically 2/3. 1 hour and 2/3 of an hour. Yeah. So that should give me, that should give me 5 by 3. 5 by 3 of an hour. So the distance is 110. The time is 5 by 3. We are supposed to find speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time.
So 66, option 2.
Correct.
Yes, sir. 110 into 3 upon 5.
Correct. 66 will be your answer. Okay. 12th one should be easy to solve. Okay, let's proceed further. A software engineer agrees to work for 1 year for an employer for 45,000 rupees and a laptop. The engineer realizes after 7 months that he was underpaid. He quits. The employer gave him 20,000 and the laptop. How much was the laptop worth? तो पहले ये पता कर लेते हैं 7 month में कितना सैलरी उसको मिलना चाहिए था. So in 7 months the salary he was supposed to get, say in 1 year 45,000. When you divide it by 12, you will get कि 1 month में उसका salary कितना होना चाहिए था. Then you multiply it by 7, you will get कि 7 months में उसका salary कितना होना चाहिए. So this should be,
Sir, 37,500.
are you sure?
No, sir, it's 3750 multiplied by 7.
Yeah. So when you cancel this, you will get 37.
So 26250.
Correct. 26250. So 26250. Wait, but then the answer is not matching. I guess there is a printing mistake in this case. Anyway, so 7 months uska salary is 26250, and the employer gave him 20,000 rupees. So the laptop's worth is basically 26,250 minus 20,000. That is 6250, which is not matching with the option. So
Sir, can I
either,
say
Excuse me,
something?
sir.
yeah, please say.
Sir, 26250, what you have calculated for 7 months, that's the price of salary plus laptop, not only the salary.
Salary plus laptop.
Sir, price
Sir,
of
but we have to
laptop.
multiply it by 12 upon 5. 6250.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, price of laptop would be 7x by 12.
Sir, what if we do the salary of whole year as 45 plus laptop's price X, end of 7 months as 20,000 plus X. So now for remaining 5 months, the salary becomes 25,000. So then we get the 1 month salary as 5,000. Then of 7 months, the salary gets 35,000. And the employer paid 20,000. So the price of laptop is 15,000.
But 45,000 for an year it is. And the
Sir,
laptop.
what if it's just multiplied by 12 upon 5?
I'm just a minute, just a minute. But 45,000 and the laptop was not given. But 6250 is only 1/7 of the laptop's worth, maybe. Then in that case, but no, yaar. Laptop
Could it be possible that the laptop that he was supposed to give is different from the laptop that he had given? So maybe the price is different.
No, that is not possible. But normally, companies and the laptop.
Sir,
Yeah, I'm listening.
Sir, if we do like 45,000 plus L for the laptop minus 2,000 plus
20,000.
L for 7 months, so we
Uh,
will get 25,000 as the salary for 5 months.
5
Then we
months.
divide it by 5. So we get 5,000 for 1 month. So then
35,000
if we
for 7.
multiply
Yeah.
5,000 by 7, we get 35,000. So 35,000 minus 20,000 will give 15,000, which is the value of the laptop.
So, dear children, in this case, see, normally,
Sir, I got it. The 26250 was only the salary, not the laptop.
correct.
And then the 20,000 does not include the laptop.
Correct. So in this case, normally when the I misread the question. Basically, in this case, the salary for 1 year includes 45,000 and the laptop. So it is inclusive. So the total salary is basically 45,000 plus laptop. 45K plus laptop is the total salary for 12 months. And for 7 months, he has been paid 20K plus laptop for 7 months. So when you subtract them, you will get 45 minus 20, you'll get 25K. Laptop gets cancelled for 5 months, which means 1 month salary is 5K. 5K is 1 month salary, which means for 7 months, the salary should be 5 multiplied by 7K. That is 35K. 35K he's supposed to get. Only money. I'm not speaking about the laptop because laptop को पकड़ के ही ये पैसा पकड़ा है. So he's supposed to get 35K money, not the laptop. But the employer gave him, instead of giving him 35,000 money, employer gave him 20,000 money and the laptop, which means the laptop's worth is 15,000.
So,
Yeah,
sir, can I give another method?
sure.
So what I did is that 6,250 rupees is equal to 5 months of the usage of laptop.
7 months.
So then we divide it by 5 and then multiply it by 12 for the total cost of the laptop.
I'm thinking. You got the same answer? I don't think.
Yes, sir, I got 15,000 rupees.
15,000 only. Yeah. That can also be done. Correct. Got it. Fair enough. Proceeding further. Oh, sorry, this question. 13th question. Which of the polygon has the largest area? Basically, you
Sir,
can compare and check.
sir, this
Not a
is
big deal.
easy. You can give as homework.
Yeah. 13th one is homework. Okay. Two spinning machines A and B can together produce 3 lakh meters of cloth in 10 hours. If B machine alone can produce the same cloth in 15 hours, then how much cloth can machine A produce alone in 10 hours? 3 lakh meters of cloth is produced in 10 hours by A and B.
So I think it's option.
Option 2. So 15 hours में
Because B can in 15 hours he can produce 3,000. Therefore, in 5 hours he can do 1 lakh, and then in 10 hours he can do 2 lakhs. Therefore, A can do in 10 hours 1 lakh.
yeah. So for those who might have not understood what she said, I'll explain. So in this case, B alone can produce the like 3 lakh meters, 3 lakh in 15 hours, which means if I'm talking about B, okay? If 3 lakh is produced in 15 hours, that means 1 lakh is produced in 5 hours. Now, when we speak about 10 hours in the combination, 2 lakh is produced in 10 hours. Now, they have said that A and B combined produces 3 lakh in 10 hours. So, this 3 lakh can be broken down as 1 lakh plus 2 lakh in 10 hours. This 2 lakh is done by B alone. As we know, B alone has done 2 lakh in 10 hours, which means the remaining 1 lakh is done by A. So what A can do, A can produce 1 lakh in 10 hours. So in 10 hours, A can produce 1 lakh. The answer is 2.
The answer for the next one also.
Yeah, the next one is straightforward formula stuff only. I'm giving this as homework. Proceeding further to the next paper, 2010's paper. Insert one digit between 4 and 7, another digit between 9 and 8 to make a new number that is divisible by 24. How many such numbers can be made in all? I'll give this sum as homework because what you have to do is basically insert a number between them, 9, 8 and 4, 7. And then you have to check, go for the divisibility test. Let's go for the next one. In a parallelogram ABCD, AB is equal to 15, BC is equal to AB is equal to 15, BC is equal to 14. The length of the diagonal BD. Find the length of the diagonal BD if BH is 12. So this is 14, this is 15. Any guesses? What should we do? I'll give you a minute. Think over it and let me know.
So can I tell the answer for it?
Sure.
Okay, so as we know that BH is 12, AB is 15. The only number in that triplet then will be 9. 15, 12, and 9 make the triplet.
Mm-hmm.
I'm correct, right? Yes. So that is 9. And then the right side, which is HD will be 14 minus 9, which will be 5. And
Mm-hmm.
then 12, 13, and 5 make the Pythagorean triplet. So that's why BD's length is 13.
13. Good one. Good one. Good one.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, but if we just do like use the Pythagoras theorem, so then 12 square plus x square is equal to 12 plus x square. So then the number should be bigger than 12. So then only 13 is bigger. So
Oh, that was a good one. Looking at the option also, you can say, you can guess the answer. Very good. So both the solution I'll explain. So in this case, the first guy suggested you apply Pythagoras theorem over here. If this is 12, this is 15, automatically this will be 9. Basically 12 square plus 9 square is 5. So out of 14, if this is 9, the leftover length is 6. Again, you apply Pythagoras theorem, 12 square plus 6 square is basically 13. So that's how you get 30. The other guy suggested since this is 12, this will be anyway greater than 12. Now, there is only one number which is greater than 12, which is
So
30.
I have a doubt.
Yes, please.
So the HD that thing is there. Why would that be 6? It should be 5, right? Because
Oh,
10,
my
14.
mistake.
Yes, sir.
My mistake. That's 5.
Sir, how did you get the length of AD as 14?
ADS 14. It's a parallelogram. If this is 14, this will be 4.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. When the decimal point of a certain positive decimal number is moved 4 places to the right, positive decimal number, the new number is 4 times the reciprocal of the original number. What is the original number? So let's say the original number is x. Okay. The new number is, let's say y. It is new number कैसे मिला? You got new number by moving the decimal point 4 times to the right side. So whatever is the original number multiplied by 10 raised to minus 4 it is. Because when you move the decimals, you are basically changing in terms of 10 raised to stuff. So when you're moving it towards right, you are making the number, since it, sorry, uh, wait, move 4 places to the right side. Sorry, plus it is. So when you're moving the decimal point to the right side, you're basically making the number bigger. For example, if you have 2.539, when you move the decimal to the right side, it becomes 25. Again, you move it to the right side, it becomes 253. So x, whatever number the x was, multiplied by 10 raised to 4 is basically moving the decimal 4 times right. You will get the value of y. Now, the new number, which is y, it is 4 times the reciprocal of the original number. So it is also equal to 4 times the reciprocal of the original number. That is 4 by x in short. So both of them are same. In short, that's what they have said. So when I take x to the side, I'll get x square. Then I take 10 raised to plus 4 to the other side, I'll be getting 10 raised to minus 4. That should give me square root of 4 is 2, 10 raised to minus 4 plus square root is 10 raised to minus 2. 0.02 will be your answer.
Sir, I did
Yeah.
not understand.
I'll explain. Not a problem. There is a certain positive decimal number. Let me call it as x. The you are going to find a new number by moving the decimal place of that value 4 times towards the right hand side. So basically, when you're moving it towards the right hand side, you're basically multiplying it by that much of number. So when you're moving it by 1, you basically multiplied it by 10. You move by 2, you multiply it by 10 raised to 2. You move by 4, you multiply it by 10 raised to 4. So that means in short, you have multiplied the original number by 10 raised to 4 in order to get a new number. But in the second line, they're saying the new number is also equal to 4 times the reciprocal of the original number. So the new number y is also equal to 4 multiplied by 1 upon x. Now you take x to the other side, x into x is x square. You have 4 on the other side, right hand side. You take 10 raised to plus 4 to the other side, it becomes 10 raised to minus 4. You take square root, 4 becomes 2, 10 raised to minus 4 becomes 10 raised to minus 2. 10 raised to minus 2 is nothing but 10 raised to minus 2 is 1 upon 100. I hope you know that. Or I can say 1 upon 10 raised to 2 it is. 1 upon 10 raised to 2 is 1 upon 100. It is 2
Yes,
upon
sir.
100 is nothing but 0.02.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, sure.
So could you explain the equation?
Okay, equation part. There are 2 lines about the new number. The first line says the decimal is moved 4 times towards the right. That means you are basically multiplying by 10 raised to 4. 10 raised to how much ever number of times you have moved the decimal, you have to write that. The second line says the new number is also equal to 4 times 1 by x. Hence this equation. Okay. Okay. So we'll stop the class over here. We'll be continuing from fourth problem in the next class. Okay. So till then, take care. See you. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.